Hi guys, today I want to talk about some Apple ID issue. When you try to reset your Apple ID password or recover it from the iforgot.apple.com webpage, sometimes you seeing something like this. This Apple ID is not active, or when you're trying to reset it from your phone, you're seeing something like this. Verification failed, this person is not active. So what's the solution? You have to call to Apple support in the getsupport.apple.com and select the issue like this. Deactivate your Apple ID. The Apple support will available at 7 a.m. Central Time to 10 p.m. So, in that time, you can call the Apple support and speak with Apple advisors. They'll fix the problem for you. But if with any reason you can't talk to Apple support, send me an Gmail. I can fix it for you. Send me an Gmail to applefix1219@gmail.com and I fix it for you. Thank you very much.